Hi, everyone. Thanks for showing up for your learning. We're looking at the first three topics of the Delta Math for Unit 1. Is it a function or not? So let's take a look at the first variety of questions. Here, you're given a mapping diagram, and you have to say, is this a function or not? And so you're going to see that here in set A, these are the inputs, and B are the outputs. Every input is corresponding to one and only one output, even though the output -4 is not used once and the output 6 is used twice, doesn't matter, it's still a function. So we would say this represents a function since for each number in set A, the input, there is only one mapping to set B, the output. Okay. And then you read it over and you see that it's a sentence that makes sense. And if it doesn't make sense, maybe you and I need to chat about some definitions. But essentially, you're looking for, does every x value have one and only one y value? And if it does, it's a function. Okay, so we'll submit this. We'll say yes. We pat ourselves on the back. That's an important step. Okay, let's look at another variety of these problems. We have a set of points like this. We want to know which one represents a function. Here I notice this one is not a function because -1 could produce -8 and -1 could produce 5. That ain't no function. Same thing here, 8 can produce -8 and 8 can produce 5. Here, this one, -9, 6, -4, 8, that one is a function because there's no way to produce multiple outputs with one input. Okay, so that's a function. And then there's another variety here, is the graph a function. Is that a function? Yes, it's a line. Lines are functions. So you might say, well, I know that this could be y equals mx plus b, and since y is not raised to an exponent, then it's a function. Okay, so you can look at equations. I just don't have that option in Delta Math to test you on that skill. But you do want to think about, how do you recognize them from mapping diagrams, sets of points or tables of values, and graphs. This one is a function because it passes the vertical line test, and they're going to show us that in just a second. Yay! Vertical line never crosses more than one time. There, you see the vertical line. It's like a little sci-fi scanner. Let's look at another one. Oh dear, that is not a function. Not at all. Vertical line crosses it. 2 points, 2 points, 2 points, 2 points, 2 points. So it's not a function. Okay, so if you have any questions about recognizing is something a function or not, absolutely send me an email or come hit me up by email. Bye for now, everyone.